Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Old paper MCQ series part number 18. The river which passes through maximum number of countries. Amazon, Nile, Danube. Danube. Danube passing through maximum number of countries. The energy currency of the cell is called ATP, fat, lead. Answer ATP. Phosphate residue in ATP structure such as ATP is known as energy currency या energy small box या small packet. फेल मुतद्दी से क्या मुराद है? जो फाइल के साथ साथ मफूल की भी जरूरत महसूस करे उसे फेल मुतअद्दी कहा जाता है। अजायबात फरंग का मौजू क्या है? स्वाने उमरी, तारीख बरतानिया, सफर। अजायबात फरंग एक सफरनामा है। Which of the following is not a natural satellite? Moon, Sputnik, Saturn, Comet. Sputnik 1 is not a natural satellite, it is an artificial satellite. Times Square is located in which of the following city? New York, Sydney, Cairo. Answer New York. Times Square is located in the city of New York. Who is the current Prime Minister of UK? Rishi Sunak is the current Prime Minister of UK. How many times Sun is heavier than Earth? 3 lakh 30,000 times Sun is heavier than Earth. Electron microscope works on which of the following principle? Optical interference, wave nature of electron, motion charge particle in electromagnetic field. Wave nature of electron. Electron microscope works on the principle of wave nature of electrons. The currency of Nigeria is Euro, Naira, Kron. Naira. The currency of Nigeria is Naira. Who proposed the theory of evolution? Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin proposed the theory of evolution. Television, radio, and phone spread signal through sound waves, electromagnetic waves, heat waves. Answer electromagnetic waves. Televisions, radio, and phone spread their signal through electromagnetic waves. Which of the following represent the boiling process? Thermal change. Boiling process is isothermal change. At this point, material should remain the constant temperature, but it change its phase from liquid to gas. Switzerland is the capital of Bern. Bern is the capital of Switzerland. Which metal is used in the galvanizing process? Zinc. Zinc is used for galvanization process. Who discovered electron? John Dalton, James Chadwick, J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson discovered electron. Who is the author of Divine Comedy? The very famous book Divine Comedy written by him. The frequency of ultrasounding wave is typically 20 kHz, 20,000 Hz. Frequency of ultrasounding waves above than 20,000 Hz. गालिब से पहले दरबार से कौन शायर वाबस्ता था? इंशा, इब्राहिम ज़ौक़, मसफ़ी। इब्राहिम ज़ौक़। इब्राहिम ज़ौक़ मुगल दरबार से वाबस्ता थे। Who among the following was first black Formula One world champion in history? Lewis Hamilton is black Formula One world champion. The steam engine was invented by James Watt. Steam engine was invented by James Watt. Stethoscope was invented by Linke. Rene Linke invented the stethoscope. Who is the highest wicket taker in ODIs? Muralidharan. Muralidharan take the highest wicket taker. Photometer is used to measure ocean depth, earthquakes, rainfall, or ocean depth. Photometer is used to measure the ocean depth. Which of the following is the most commonly used chemical for ripening of mangoes? Potassium iodide, silver iodide, calcium carbide. The correct answer, calcium carbide, is mostly used for ripening of fruits such as apple and mango. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.